Most people hear 8x on gas and immediately assume it sounds too good to be true. And honestly, that reaction makes sense. Credit card marketing often looks amazing until you read the fine print. But the Wyndham Earner Business Card has become popular for one reason in particular: the massive rewards rate on gas purchases. The real question is this: does the card actually pay 8x on gas in real-world use? Or is it one of those benefits that only works under perfect conditions? In this video, I'll break down exactly how the Wyndham Earner Business Card gas rewards work in 2026, what counts as eligible gas spending, where people accidentally lose rewards, and whether the math actually makes sense for business owners and everyday drivers. And later, I'll show you a strategy many cardholders miss that can dramatically increase the value of those gas rewards. So let's get into it. The short answer is yes. The Wyndham Earner Business Card really does offer 8x points on eligible gas purchases. But there's an important detail most people skip over. You're earning Wyndham Rewards points, not cashback. That distinction matters a lot, because the true value depends entirely on how you redeem those points. Now, let's simplify this. Imagine Alex owns a small photography business. He drives constantly for client shoots, airport pickups, and weekend events. Every month, he spends around $500 on fuel. With a standard 2% cashback card, Alex earns about $10 back monthly. But with 8x Wyndham points, he could earn thousands of Wyndham points every single month instead. Now here's where it gets interesting. If Alex redeems those points efficiently for hotel stays during high-demand periods, the value can exceed traditional cashback cards by a noticeable margin. But this is where most people fail. They assume points automatically equal huge value. That's not true. Bad redemptions can completely destroy the advantage. For example, redeeming Wyndham points for low-value hotel nights during cheap travel seasons usually gives poor returns. But using points during expensive weekends or peak pricing periods changes the math dramatically. And in a minute, I'll show you exactly how smart users maximize those gas rewards. First, let's talk about what actually counts as gas spending. Generally, purchases at gas stations qualify for the 8x category. But merchant coding matters. This is extremely important. If a gas station purchase processes through a third-party service or gets coded incorrectly, you might not receive the bonus rewards. This happens more often than people realize. For example, some truck stops, warehouse fuel stations, or mixed retail locations may not always code properly as gas merchants. So before relying heavily on the category, it's smart to test purchases first and verify how they appear on your statement. Now here's another important point. The Wyndham Earner Business Card is technically a business credit card. But many small business owners qualify more easily than they think. Freelancers, online sellers, rideshare drivers, consultants, photographers, content creators. Even side income activities can potentially qualify as a business. This surprises a lot of people. They assume business cards are only for large companies with employees and office buildings. That's not how modern business credit works anymore. But here's the problem. A lot of users apply for the card purely because of the 8x headline, without asking whether Wyndham points actually fit their travel habits. And this is critical. If you never stay at Wyndham properties, the rewards become harder to maximize. This card works best when your spending ecosystem matches your travel ecosystem. That's the secret. Now let's look at real-world value. Suppose John spends $1,000 monthly on gas for his delivery business. At 8x, that's 8,000 Wyndham points per month. Over 1 year, that's nearly 100,000 points from gas alone. That's enough for multiple hotel stays depending on redemption strategy and property pricing. And suddenly, fuel expenses start funding actual travel. That's why this card gets attention from road warriors and business travelers. But now comes the part nobody talks about enough. The quality of Wyndham redemptions varies massively. Some properties offer excellent value. Others do not. This means the card's real value depends less on earning points, and more on redeeming them intelligently. And smart users follow one specific rule. They redeem points when hotel cash prices are unusually high. Holiday weekends are a perfect example. If a room normally costs $120 but jumps to $280 during a busy weekend, while the points requirement stays relatively stable, that's where the AETX gas rewards become extremely powerful. Now here's where most people get trapped. They compare the card directly against cashback cards, without considering travel behavior. Cashback is simple and flexible. Points require strategy. But when used correctly, travel points can sometimes outperform cashback significantly, especially for people already paying for hotels anyway. And this is where the Wyndham Earner Business Card quietly becomes interesting. The gas category is not just about gas. It's about converting a necessary business expense into future travel. Now let's talk about another hidden advantage. The card also includes Wyndham Diamond status. This is actually a much bigger deal than many people realize. Diamond status can provide suite upgrades at some properties, bonus earning rates, preferred rooms, and other travel perks. So now your gas purchases are not only funding hotel stays. They're helping you travel with better status benefits too. That combination creates a stronger ecosystem than people initially expect. But here's the caution. If you carry a balance and pay interest, the rewards can disappear quickly. This card only works well for disciplined spending. Always remember that earning points should never justify unnecessary purchases or debt. Now another thing worth discussing is fuel inflation. Gas prices remain unpredictable in many areas. That means high-spending drivers are naturally generating more rewards without changing behavior. For business owners who already drive heavily, the earning potential scales very quickly. And in some cases, the rewards generated from gas alone can offset the annual fee multiple times over. But this is where it gets interesting again. Many experienced users stack Wyndham promotions on top of gas rewards. Wyndham regularly offers limited-time promotions for stays, bonus nights, or extra points. When combined strategically with card spending, the rewards compound much faster. This is how experienced travelers generate outsized value. Not through one feature. Through stacking multiple advantages together. Now let's answer the main question directly. Does the Wyndham Earner Business Card really pay 8x on gas? Yes. For eligible purchases, it absolutely does. But whether that 8x becomes truly valuable depends on three things: your gas spending, your redemption strategy, and whether you actually use Wyndham hotels. If all three align, the card can become surprisingly powerful, especially for drivers, business travelers, gig workers, and road trip heavy lifestyles. But if you prefer pure cashback simplicity, or rarely use Wyndham properties, the value becomes much weaker. So the card is not universally amazing. It's highly specific. And honestly, that specificity is what makes it underrated. Because for the right user, it converts one unavoidable expense into meaningful travel rewards, at a very aggressive earning rate. So here's the bottom line. The Wyndham Earner Business Card does genuinely offer 8x on eligible gas purchases in 2026. But the real value comes from how intelligently those points are used afterward. Smart redemptions can outperform ordinary cashback cards. Bad redemptions can make the rewards feel average. That's the difference. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the best gas rewards card you've used personally. And if you want, I can also break down the best Wyndham Hotel redemptions that give the highest value per point this year.